In our last video, we built this 3-tier planter. And each of these boxes uses 1.5, a little bit less than 1.5 fence pickets. So I said, I'm going to get a planter out of what's left over, which is 43.5 inches. And this is 43.5 inches of leftover picket board. Instead of using 4.5, which you got to buy 5 obviously, if you buy 6, then you get 3 planters out of it. If you get these, let's say you sell 2 of them conservatively, all that's free, 100% profit. And these take about 15 minutes to build, and they fit a 4-inch pot just perfectly. So you just buy your plant at the store and just drop it in. And when I built the first one, I forgot to put the profile in, so I went back and built 2 more. That's just a groove that you can cut in with a table saw. It's super easy. And I'll show you how to do that at the end of the video. Okay, now let's get to it. We have decided to show this cut list before starting the project. I recommend drawing everything on the board before cutting to ensure that everything will fit. When you're drawing this out, make sure to account for the blade width. This is our first time making a cut list like this, so the scale might be a bit off, but all of the final dimensions are here. You can pause the video and write everything out, or you can download it in the description below. Now, here's how to build it. So we're just going to make a small cut right here with the jigsaw. Okay, I'm going to set that aside. And the next one that we're going to cut off is we're going to cut off this piece right here. Okay, there's your leg, or there's part of your legs. I'm going to set it aside. Okay, so then let's go over to the miter saw. And we're going to keep these longer because we want to feed them through the table saw, and it's safer that way. All right, back to the table saw with these guys. Okay, so we're going to take the trim piece, and we're going to just take it with the other trim piece, and we're just going to set them aside until it's all done. Okay, so tight bond 3, exterior glue, 1-inch brad nails. If you happen to have a 23 gauge headless pin nailer, you can use that. It's a little tidier, but since most of you probably won't have this, I'm just going to use a brad nailer. Okay, so you take your longer ones, take your shorter ones. All right, and go exactly like that. Okay, now when we're assembling it, we're going to use the skinny one and put it on this side because it has much more to grab onto. And then we're going to put the fat one on the other side. Okay, looks good. And there are our leftover scrap pieces. Okay, and we got our 4-inch putt. Boom. Hey there, this is future Greg. When I built this one, this was the first one, I was so busy drawing everything out that I forgot that I was going to put the grooves in. So now I'm going to go back in time and do it properly by putting the grooves in it. Okay, so there's your 4 pieces. Just gonna chop the one. Okay, so that goes aside for everything. And then we'll take this guy. We're going to lower the blade down to 1/8 of an inch. And there you have it. It's the most efficient thing I'm probably ever going to be able to do. The amount of scrap that I had left over when I was done could fit in the palm of my hand. Thank you for watching the video, and thank you very much to everybody that subscribed so far. Our channel has grown really fast, and we really appreciate it, and it's given us the energy to just keep going. And if you haven't already, then please do. But like it and leave us a comment, and leave in the comment how much you think you can sell this for in your area, because I'm not really sure what to sell them for. Thank you for watching again. And if you want to check out how to build that planter right there, or we have another small little one here, click on one of those boxes over there. Have a good day.